Good things come to those who wait, but you do not have to wait to use idioms proficiently. Hello everyone, I'm Lakha from EduNirvana, and in today's video, I will talk about idioms. In order to achieve a good score in proficiency tests, it is important that you demonstrate less common and more idiomatic vocabulary. And the best way to do that is by using idioms. I'm sure we all have studied them in schools, but let's do a quick recap of what an idiom is. Simply, it is a type of phrase that means something different from its literal meaning, but can be understood by its use and expressions. For example, to be like a dog with two tails. Now, obviously, none of us have two tails. It's just an expression. Dogs express their happiness by wagging their tails. Therefore, it means to be very happy. You can use it in a sentence like, I and my best friend could not meet for years, but when I saw her on my birthday, I was like a dog with two tails. Another example can be to be on cloud 9. Here again, I'm not literally on top of clouds. I'm just joyful about something. For example, when I got to lead a new project at work, I was on cloud 9. Now here, getting a lead in a project is a situation that makes me very happy. And to express my happiness, I would say, I am on cloud 9. Let's try one more. To have a whale of a time. It means to have a very fun and exciting time. You can use it in a sentence like, I spent the Christmas Eve with my friends, we sang carols and had a whale of a time. These are some examples of idioms for happy or pleasant situations. You can use idioms for unpleasant or negative situations as well. Let's see, an example can be, it makes my blood boil. Now imagine being so furious that your blood starts to boil. Not literally, of course. It simply means that you are angry about something. You can use it in a sentence like, the traffic congestion in my city has increased so much that it makes my blood boil. Another example of this sort is, it drives me crazy. I'm sure we all have heard of this, especially when something annoys us a lot. It can be used in a sentence like, I liked mashed potatoes a lot, but it drives me crazy when people do not mash them properly. Another frequently used example is, I hit the ceiling. Now obviously, I did not literally hit the ceiling. It's again just an expression. That means to be angry or upset about something suddenly. It can be used in a sentence like, when I heard about the theft in my neighborhood, I hit the ceiling. It means I suddenly got extremely upset after listening to that news. So as you can see, idioms add color, naturalness and expressive power to your language and make your piece of writing or speech unique. Do comment if you have any doubts. Also, like, share and subscribe to our channel EduNirvana for more informative content.